Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope all are doing great. So in this video, I hope you all are understood that after watching my thumbnail. So this is the topic very much important for all the nurses who are planning to go abroad countries like Saudi, mostly Gulf countries. So in this video, I will explain you that what is the Saudi nursing license exam, what is the eligibility criteria and exam format, how many marks we should get. So if you are watching this video for the first time, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Let's start the video. First of all, I will explain you that what is SNLE, Saudi Nursing License Exam. This is the exam which is mandatory for the nurses who are working in Saudi Arabia. And when we are planning to come Saudi Arabia, we should write this exam in India or after reaching Saudi Arabia. We have two chances. First of all, nursing license. This is the eligibility criteria and checking the check the like competency, skills and knowledge of that person who are working in Saudi Arabia, and they will check our like educational qualifications and our competency, skills, our knowledge. So if you are passing this exam, Saudi nursing license exam, then they will allow to work in Saudi Arabia. And this is the health specialty like SCFHS website, Saudi Commission of Health Specialties. This is the website we have to apply like PROMETRIC exam and data flow, each and everything from this website. So if you are finish your exam, then they will allow to work in Saudi Arabia. Second one, eligibility criteria. This is the main important because most of the people are asking this topic. If you are planning to go abroad countries, like not only in Saudi Arabia, wherever you go, you need experience is mandatory, whether it is BSc or GNM or 1 year or 2 years of experience. So if you are planning to come Saudi Arabia, 2 years of experience is mandatory and a valid nursing degree or diploma. Degree అయితే 4 years degree course we should do, and diploma అయితే 3 years diploma course like GNM. So this is the main important thing, and must have data flow verification and eligibility ID. Like when you are planning to go planning to write exam, something whatever the exam, so you should need what is that, hall ticket, right? So for this Saudi PROMETRIC exam also you need one hall ticket, that name is also called as Umaris Plus or eligibility ID. So this is the very most important. Next, third one, exam format. So this is the most important, this one also, because when you are writing exam, you should know that what is the syllabus and what are the things, what are the questions will come in the exam, and what is the CBT format, like how much duration, so like that. So they, for this Saudi nursing license exam also have that CBT format, like computer based test. It has a number of
she tell you have to Saudi Arabia insurance.
So next one, number of questions, like 210 questions mostly. There are two sessions. First session 105 questions, second session 105 questions. Okay, only both are 210 questions. The timing is duration 4 hours, like morning and evening, two schedules are there. If you want to write it morning, then check that time in that particular settings, like morning 8 o'clock to 12:30 or evening 3 o'clock to 6:30 or 7:30, like that. If you want to write at morning time, choose morning time. Okay, there are 4 hours time duration, like morning 8 o'clock to 12:30. In that 4 hours you have half an hour break, and like first session 2 hours, then half an hour break, second session 2 hours, like that 4 hours finish. So next, passing score. There are BSc and GNM separately passing score. If you are BSc nursing like specialist, you have to write, for BSc nursing you have to write BSc specialist exam. For GNM technician exam, GNM 45% you have to score, and for BSc you have to score 60%. So in even marks also, you have 800 marks. Out of 800 you have to get 500 minimum. So above 500 only you will pass, otherwise you will fail. So each question carries 4 marks, no negative marks. Next, content. In this content, they will ask mostly our nursing related concept, like scenario based and live examples. As a nurse, what you will do if the patient is fall in front of you? As a nurse, as no one is there in front of you, as a industrial nurse, as a nurse, what you will do? So they will give four options. One question, four options. You have to select whether you have to understand the question properly. Some questions they will ask negative, remove the negative question, negative answer. Sometimes remove the positive answer. So like that, depend upon the questions, they will change the scenario based questions. So this is the video. I hope at least you will get more information from my side. So in next video I will explain you the syllabus and how to check the result, and few more things. So I will give you tips also. Please do subscribe our channel for more nursing updates. Until then, keep watching my videos. Bye bye.